Silva is on the shortlist for Halloween Come We Fly Broomstick Vacuum Cleaner Sunset Shirt all time. P4P GOAT. And what does he do when he gets dethroned and starts looking past his prime? Fights fucking DC. Adesanya. Etc. Losses are damned. Most of his post-prime fights have been. Halloween Come We Fly Broomstick Vacuum Cleaner Sunset Shirt. Tank top. V-neck. Sweatshirt and hoodie. I feel like Anderson's been fighting all my life. He's Halloween Come We Fly Broomstick Vacuum Cleaner Sunset Shirt entirely sure about that. Hall may not have lived up to his hype, but he still is a pretty good striker and I could see this being a chess match. Many years ago this fight would be a dream come true. That was after I saw Uriah Hall never live up to his potential in the shell of Anderson Silva. Other product.